Spain, the country with the most extensive forest cover in the Mediterranean, is also the most devastated by forest fires. When these fires are large-scale, the emergency services' effectiveness and capacity to respond are overwhelmed. The PROMETEO project is an initiative which seeks to develop new technologies to support professionals and so contribute to a better preservation of our forests. In order to better understand these systems, imagine a situation where a forest fire gets out of control. The planning support operative is started up through the activation of a surveillance aircraft and air traffic coordination at the disposal of the fire extinction manager. The planning office starts to generate information and sends fire extinction management the first simulation of how the fire will behave, based on satellite prediction of fuel moisture. The surveillance aircraft carries out the first reconnaissance flights over the fire. The first measures the perimeter and the energy given off by the fire. The second gives us a spectral mapping of fuel models in real time, information essential in predicting the future behavior of the fire. In 20 minutes, the fire extinction manager has an accurate prediction for the next 4 hours, as well as up-to-date situational awareness. This facilitates highly reliable technical decision-making over an area of approximately 900 hectares. The prior deployment of a wireless network of meteorological sensors and communication relays in key places guarantees communication and offers a local forecasting with actual data on wind, moisture and temperature accurate over the whole of the operation scene. Information interchange between the different command posts is assured by satellite communications. The uncertainty about the behavior of forest fires and the multiple variables which condition their evolution means that professionals who combat them are constantly exposed to these difficulties, aiming to mitigate them using their experience and, in many cases, their intuition. PROMETEO provides a fire brigade geolocalization system which brings information regarding the environmental and physiological parameters of the fire brigades in real time, offering safety cover for ground and heliborne fire brigades at the most critical times. The proper management of air resources, on occasions with as many as 50 aircraft working simultaneously, is not a risk-free operation. Thanks to PROMETEO's coordination aircraft equipped with air traffic control software, the extinction manager can optimally and safely control the available air resources. The manager can evaluate the efficiency of interventions thanks to the information supplied by the surveillance aircraft. At dusk, when the enemy is at its weakest, air resources are withdrawn for safety reasons. PROMETEO has taken advantage of this opportunity to develop a system which operates nocturnal extinction air resources, thus complying with safety standards. In just 4 hours, we can establish a high-precision mapping of obstacles able to detect wires, part of dangerous power lines, down to 2 centimeters in diameter, thereby eliminating the potential risk of air accidents. PROMETEO has developed an integrated and precise navigational system capable of carrying out high-precision flights for manned and unmanned aircraft and even for guided extinction systems, which will, in the near future, make the necessary nocturnal air operations possible. PROMETEO is also useful in fire prevention and the recuperation of the most vulnerable fire-stricken areas through the use of advanced technologies such as teledetection via satellite. Highest risk zones are determined, a biomass energy use model is defined, and tools which help the decision-making process regarding the restoration of burnt areas are created. The PROMETEO project combines experience and new technologies in the fight against fire, destroyer of our forests. Thanks to the participation of 15 companies from different disciplines, environment, aeronautics, communication and information, all with a common objective to place our consortium in the technological avant-garde of forest fire extinction.